Hey there! Struggling with a Wi-Fi connection that seems to taunt you with no internet? Today we're diving into how to fix no internet with Wi-Fi router issues, ensuring you're back online in no time. Whether you're working from home or indulging in some much-needed streaming, a reliable internet connection is essential. In this guide, we'll walk you through troubleshooting common router problems to restore your internet connection effectively. Step 1. Check physical connections. Before diving into complex solutions, let's start with the basics. Ensure that all cables are securely connected to your router and modem. Look for loose or damaged cables that might be disrupting your internet connection. Sometimes a simple reconnection can fix the issue. Step 2. Restart your devices. A classic fix that often works wonders is restarting your devices. Unplug your router and modem from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds and then plug them back in. This process can resolve temporary glitches by refreshing your network connection. Don't forget to restart your computer or smartphone as well to ensure all devices are in sync. Step 3. Check for service outages. If restarting your equipment didn't work, the issue might be with your internet service provider. Check if there are any advertised service outages in your area. You can visit your ISP's website or social media pages for live updates. Alternatively, calling their customer support might provide insight into broader network problems affecting your connection. Step 4. Update router firmware. Sometimes outdated router firmware can cause connectivity issues. Log into your router's web interface using its IP address. Once logged in, look for a firmware update section and follow the instructions to install the latest update. Keeping your router's firmware up to date ensures optimal performance and security. Step 5. Modify Wi-Fi settings. If your router is still not providing an internet connection, consider tweaking your Wi-Fi settings. Changing your Wi-Fi channel to a less crowded one can sometimes improve connectivity issues caused by signal interference. Access your router settings and explore the wireless settings menu for channel options. Experiment with different channels to find one that minimizes interference. Step 6. Reset router to factory settings. As a last resort, resetting your router to its factory settings can resolve deeper configuration issues. Keep in mind that this will erase all customized settings, and you'll need to set up your network again from scratch. To reset the router, locate the reset button, usually a tiny pinhole, and hold it down for a few seconds. Once completed, follow the router's setup guide to reestablish your connection. There you have it. Strategies on how to fix no internet with Wi-Fi router troubles effectively. From checking physical connections to resetting your router, these steps cover everything needed to tackle common connectivity issues. Remember to approach each step methodically, ensuring you haven't overlooked the simple solutions. Before long, you'll be back online enjoying a seamless browsing experience. Stay patient, keep troubleshooting, and above all, enjoy the rewards of a smooth and stable internet connection. Happy surfing!